Did you know that back in the 18th century, certain powdered wigs weren't just a fashion statement but a secret attempt to ward off lice? People would pile these elaborate wigs on top of their heads, dusting them with a special powder made of flour and scented oils, all in the name of beauty and hygiene. However delightful they smelled, these wigs were often heavier than a sack of potatoes. Imagine your next daily workout. And here's the kicker. When powdered society gatherings turned into a Sneezefest because of all that flour dust, it was more like a wiggy Wild West than a sophisticated soiree. Who's up for a sneezy salon chat in the comments?